Achieving Passive House certification has been a huge achievement for Sapphire. The G30 anchor was our first major breakthrough with the Passive House certification. It's ultra rigid, meaning you only need 2 or 3 connections per unit, so it saves on installation time, the cost on labour, and it's also designed to tackle thermal bridging at the balcony interface. This is what the Passive House Institute is tested for. The Passive House Institute looks through a very long and stringent process testing our balcony anchors. You go through 3D thermal modelling, 2D verification modelling, and calculations of the thermal metrics, then evaluating the condensation and hygiene. So there's lots of metrics that you have to hit in order to achieve the certification. Now, we're very proud to have achieved the Passive House certification on the G30 anchor. If you'd like to know more, please do reach out to someone here at Sapphire Balconies